Hello everyone and welcome back to my wall panels. I am Tushar Sehrawat and in today's video, we are going to talk about pendant lights. Pendant lights are a great way to add character to any space, whether it's your living room, kitchen or bedroom. They are also a practical lighting solution that can provide task lighting and create ambience. In this video, we are going to show you some of our favorite pendant light options made with prime wood material and how they can enhance your home's decor. So, let's get started. Types of pendant lights. There are different types of pendant lights, and choosing the right one for your space is essential. Some popular pendant light types include drum pendant lights. These pendant lights have a cylindrical or drum-shaped shade and provide a soft, diffused light. Globe pendant lights. These pendant lights have a spherical or globe-shaped shade and can provide a focused or diffused light depending on the shade material. Cluster pendant lights. These pendant lights have multiple shades clustered together to create a dramatic effect. Linear pendant lights. These pendant lights have a long, narrow shade and are great for lighting up a dining table or kitchen island. Prime wood pendant lights. At My Wall Panels, we offer a wide range of pendant lights made with prime wood material. Prime wood is a high-quality, durable material that provides a warm and rustic look to your space. Our prime wood pendant lights come in different styles, shapes, and finishes, making them a versatile lighting solution for any home decor. Placement and installation. The placement and installation of pendant lights are crucial to achieving the desired effect. For example, when it comes to a kitchen island, you can install multiple pendant lights in a row to provide adequate lighting. You can also install pendant lights at different heights to create a dynamic look. When it comes to installation, it's always best to hire a professional electrician to ensure safety. Our favorite prime wood pendant light picks. Here are some of our favorite prime wood pendant light picks. Rustic wooden pendant lights. These pendant lights feature a natural wood finish and provide a warm and cozy look to your space. Geometric wooden pendant lights. These pendant lights feature a modern geometric design and provide a unique and stylish look to your space. Carved wooden pendant lights. These pendant lights feature intricately carved designs and provide a traditional and elegant look to your space. Conclusion. In conclusion, pendant lights made with prime wood material are a great way to add character and style to your space while providing practical lighting. With the right type, placement, and installation, you can create a unique and dynamic look in your home. We hope you enjoyed our video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to My Wall Panels for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.